Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF file to your Wix website. So first is head over to wix.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, just click on Edit Site. And from your Wix website editor page, once again in the left panel, click on the Add Elements button. Then next is switch to button. You can hover your mouse, then click or hover your mouse on document buttons. Now choose from these four icons for icon designs for PDF, then drag and drop it to your website. And from a new window that popped up, just select your existing PDF file, or if you still haven't uploaded it, click on Upload Media. Now choose how you want to upload your PDF file. You can upload it straight from your computer. Select your PDF file, open it, then click on Add to Page. You can always change how the button of your PDF file looks by clicking on this brush icon and change it to your desired design. And now every time people visit your site, they can just click on this button and your PDF file will then automatically be downloaded. And from here, you can choose to publish this on your website by clicking on the publish button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!